Yo, what's up family? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video than I usually do here on this channel. And today we're going to be doing a full walkthrough of our HoyPRO app, which features over 3,000 workouts and over 80 workout programs. It's something that you all question me about a whole lot, so I figured this would be a great opportunity to walk you all through, show you all the features we have jam-packed in here, and answer all of your questions. Now, the top question I get often is, what is the difference between HoyPRO and the free workouts on YouTube? And one of the first differences is going to be HoyPRO is completely ad-free, and we have so much more on HoyPRO, where on YouTube we have about 100 videos that are kind of scattered about. On HoyPRO, we have 3,000 workouts, so over 30 times the workouts, and we have full programs that you all can follow. So let's go ahead and go right into the app, and I'm going to show you all of the features. So as we log in, the first thing you're going to see here is the featured page. So at the very top, we're going to feature if we're doing a challenge, or if we have a new workout that we put out. Here you can see the 10,000 steps that just came out. Hopefully you all gave that one a try. And right underneath is where you're going to see our weekly calendars. So on Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. CST, you're gonna see a new layout here. Every week we have a different theme. So this week is deload. We're just coming out of our shred program. So we're gonna deload before we go into our next program. And today's workout is a 30-minute intermediate lower body workout. But you also have the options of going for a longer workout. So the longer workout version will be the 60-minute intermediate lower body workouts, and there's always going to be a friendly day. So if you're not doing extreme workouts, you're still working your way through, there would be an option every single day for you. So I'm going to click on friendly, and you have a 30-minute full body lower body strength workout from Start Strong. So every single day we have options for you regardless of your fitness level. I know a lot of people know me for the extreme HIIT or extreme strength workouts, but we're working with everybody within this app. All right, from there, a very popular category that we go to are new workouts. Here is self-explanatory. You can see all of our new workouts here. We've been adding music, so we actually have a new music added section where you can come in here and see all of the workouts that we just added music to. Music was something that was heavily requested from you all. We have a lot of non-music options within HoyPRO. But as we add new workouts, we're just gonna pump them into here. So going back to some of your favorites and then freshen them up, remixing them up with some music to jam to as you do those workouts. So lots of different options here throughout the new workouts. And for people who don't kind of wanna go through and add workouts to their list, obviously we have different programs for you here. We have over 80 workout programs, and we're gonna highlight some top challenges here. So you can go through, you see your favorites, Shred, which is a strength program, Pro 500. We have Savage, which is a bodyweight program, Restore, which is a 30-day mobility program, 12-week Start a New and Improve challenge, Champion, etc. Right? So as you go into each one, you're gonna get a description of each challenge. You can decide which challenge you want to choose from. In order to come through every single day, you don't have to think about it. The challenge is gonna pop up, and you can just work your way through and get the result. And we also have a special place called HoyPRO Lite, which is a mini HoyPRO within HoyPRO that only has beginner and intermediate workouts. You have a special place to where you can go in and you say, hey, look, I'm not gonna be doing any burpees. I'm gonna get a great workout in. I'm gonna do it at my own level. So this is dedicated strictly for you all. And if you're not a HoyPRO member and you still wanna have access to the workouts here, you can go to our titles available for purchase section, where you can just outright buy a program and own them forever, all right? And you will still have access to these programs, not only on the HoyPRO app, but then also on our website, across all of our apps, and then you can also do these on your television with our television apps and on our tablet as well, all right? So let me get back to the other programs. I just wanted to show you all that special feature because I kind of forgot to mention it when I was recording. From here, we have some quick picks. So if you just want to find a quick workout, we have the music added section here. You can do some quick HIIT, some quick strength, stretching. We also offer live workouts, so you can get all the live workout replays here as well. And then of course, they're going to be favorites, where you can find all of our favorite and most popular HoyPRO workouts in here. So let's say, for instance, you want to get a quick HIIT workout in. You will go into the HIIT hybrid section, and you can click and get various times. So you can either go from just added. So these are all the recently added HIIT workouts here. You can go through time, so 5 to 25 minutes, over 60 minutes, which is a popular category. You all love those long workouts. Just see it through here. So lots of 1,000 calorie options in here for people who like those long extended workouts. All right, so for people who are just getting started, we have a category here called Start Here. It's a 6-month beginner through advanced challenge. So you're actually gonna work your way through various challenges here, starting with Start Strong, which is an absolute beginner's workout challenge. So this is a level 2.0 beginner. From there, we're gonna go into 30-day New You, which is a beginner and kind of working its way into intermediate a little bit. And then 21-day Improve You, which is an intermediate challenge. And then we're gonna go into 2 6-week challenges, which is going to be HoyPRO Champion 1 and then HoyPRO Champion 2. We're gonna add in that HIIT, add in that strength, add in some mobility, and really work our way through it so that when you're done with the 6-month challenge, you can take on any of the other 80 challenges that we have here on HoyPRO. All right, so every single workout that I've ever made as I've been producing content for the last 13 years is in here. So you can go from the year 2024 to the year 2013. There's actually some 2012 kind of mixed in there as well. So let's say you want to go completely old school Millionaire Hoy, back when I had hair and before I even had braces. And you can see some cool workout options in here. So one of the cool things about HoyPRO is that we have so many workouts on this single app. Over 3,000 workouts, and I say a lot of time, but it's kind of hard for the human mind to fathom what 3,000 workouts actually means. So we have created custom search filters that makes it very, very easy for you all to find the specific workout that you're looking for in a very short amount of time. So within the app, you would hit the filters button. And from here, you can find workouts categorized by different filters. So let's say, for instance, you were gonna go for time. You can pick anything from less than 10 minutes all the way up to 60 minutes. For type, you have so many to choose from. You kind of see them on the screen, from live workout, HIIT, strength, cardio, Tabata, low impact, themed, kickboxing. A very popular one on here is no burpees. So if you want to pick any of these workouts, but you want a workout version of that doesn't have burpees, you hit the no burpees tab, and every workout doesn't pop up, it's gonna have 0 burpees in it, all right? So all the people who like, my knees can't take burpees, that's you right there. Intensity, all right? So beginners, intermediate, advanced, extreme, no matter the level, there are workouts for you. And the focus areas gonna have total, upper, lower, and abs and core. Equipment, there's so many different equipments to go through here. You can go through the years, and then you also have the option of picking whether you want music in your workout or no music, all right? There's some people who prefer either, and you have both of those options here. So let's just run through this real quick, find us a quick workout. We don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in, I'm gonna go to time, go for 30 minutes, type, let's get some good quick HIIT workout in there. Intensity, let's go with intermediate. And as you do this, you see the option at the bottom. Now it's showing 215 results. Every time we click on something, it refines the search even more. Focus area, I want total body. Equipment, no equipment. And let's say year, let's go with this year, so 2024. All right, so we're gonna show the results. I get it all the way down to 1 result. This is the perfect workout for what I'm looking for, with a 30-minute intermediate, all standing kickboxing and step workout. So I don't have to think about it and sit here forever, thinking longer than it would have taken to do a workout to get right to what I want. I'm gonna click on that workout, I'm gonna go right to it and do it. With each workout, you see the title of the workout. This one does have music in it, and you can go through the description, see what's in the workout. Another cool function here is, say for instance, you want to find workouts to do later, you will click in here and you can simply add this workout to my list. That will save all of the workouts that you want to come back to later and do. If you want to just shop around when you have free time, find workouts and kind of build up a catalog, or work on your own monthly schedule if you don't want to follow the weekly workouts or the programs that we have. Another cool option here is to download. Let's say you're going to go on vacation or you want to save up a lot of workouts to do later. You can download this workout to your device so that you can play it back digitally if you don't have good Wi-Fi or anything like that. All right, so we got you covered no matter where you are. You can do these workouts anywhere and you have access to them 24/7 with 0 ads and so much variety, whether you're doing programs or picking individual workouts. All right, so I'm gonna go back to Explore page. Now, if you want to find the workouts you add to your list, you will go right to Library here, and it's going to pull up, as you can see, I've added quite a few to my list that I wanna kind of go through. Each workout that you go to, you can also add yourself to the conversation by commenting, and then also you can join our VIP Facebook groups and also our Discord where we talk about our nutrition, our goals, different workouts that you're requesting, and all that is part of your HoyPRO membership. We're stronger together, so pulling everything together to make sure we run forward and crush our goals. And if you are beginners or intermediate and you're looking for challenges, you can go right into your beginners and intermediate challenges and find all of your options here that you can use to work at your current level until you get, stronger and like more into the advanced stuff. Or you can come back here when you're recovering or you want to do a deload week as we're currently doing on HoyPRO. So I didn't want to make this too long, but I want to give you all a quick preview of the HoyPRO app. We're having so many people who are getting the best benefits possible, getting real workouts in real time and getting real results. So if you haven't joined HoyPRO already, go ahead and check us out. There's so much here that's gonna help you get in the best shape of your life. We are pushing our absolute best so that we feel our absolute best. And as we age, we're aging gracefully. We're able to run around, play with our kids, and just have a better experience in life, period. All right, so go ahead and check out the link down below in the description. Right now, we're doing a special promo, so you can find that down below. And I'm going to head and see you all there. And until the next time we come back and crush it, it's Millionaire Hoy. Take care and peace out.